Hi everyone, this is Sammy from the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So I did do some shopping. The first thing I want to show you guys is the Folio Explosion Box Class Kit. I didn't buy the complete kit because the complete kit comes with like the cardstock and that sort of thing, which I have. As I'm showing you this haul, the class was actually the day before, and I have not obviously done the class because it's Mother's Day weekend and I just didn't have a chance to do it, but that's my plan for this week. So I hope to show you guys a finished project, but this was the box kit. So let me show you what was in this kit because I did want to make the project the way it is. It's super amazing. So I'm going to make it, and then hopefully I can make it with products that I have. But the kit that I purchased had this Awakening paper pad and this inverted hexagon die. This is a shadow box die. And this cute stamp set, which is called Honey Bear. So that was in the class kit. I'm keeping it together because I am going to be working on that. I'll put it where I can kind of get to it. So I'm going to work on that. So then Tonic had a good sale on some stuff. It was their spring sale. I have a love-hate relationship with the embellishment mousse. I think I've been using Press and Seal, and it seems to be helping. But it was a good price, so I went for it. These are the colors that I got, which is, I don't even know what these colors are. They don't even say what they are. Oh, Gunmetal Gray, Cosmic Brown, Orange Blush, some kind of green, Aloe Vera, Pink Flambe, Burnished Bronze, Lemon Sorbet, and so there's that. So I got these. Sorry, I want to put those away. And this was only $7.99. All of this stuff was $7.99. So I had to get it because the price was just outrageous. And so for all of this. So in this kit, I got this stamp set, which is Tots Toys. And then I got the duck die and shaker set. I guess there's no like weird because there's no like stamp that goes with that. So it's, oh, this is Space Bot, that's why, but I don't think you need it. I mean, you can make your own duck. And then this is the die for the robot. And then here is the die for the tiara. So I don't think you really need a stamp set for those, but it was only $7.99 and I can play with all of my shaker bits. So that was kind of a fun thing. And then this was a kit. It's called the Sweet something. I forget what it's called. Anyway, it's this Sweets line by Tina Smith. And I got the kit, and you get the cookie corner, so you can make your own little cookies. This is like a sweet treat box. You can put donuts or cookies or whatever sweet treats you have in there or whatever you want. And it makes a flat box, but I couldn't see why you couldn't make a regular box and then fit this on top, and then it can open. So I'll have to play with that. It came with some pieces to make a card. Only one card. And then there's an embossing folder. It's a scallops embossing folder. This is called the Party Cupcake Pocket. So it makes a cupcake, but also, I guess, the cupcake kind of makes a pocket, so maybe you can pull the cake part out. I don't know, but it's cute. I'll have to play with that. And then this is the Sweet Confections label and banner, which goes on top of that sweet box. And then, so I need to put some stuff away. I've got some paper. So, Echo Park. This is from I think it's Die Cuts. It's like an outlet of Echo Park stuff. Anyways, I got this Flower Market 12 by 12 paper pad. It was a pretty good deal. So let me see. Here's the paper. I think it's one-sided. But you get a lot of sheets of paper. It's really pretty. So I did get that. And then some 6 by 6 paper pads. I got Winter Magic. These are all 50% off. Hello Autumn. Remember the Magic. Farm to Table. Coffee with Friends. Summer Market. Dive into Summer. Pool Party. Little Dreamer. A Slice of Summer. Alice in Wonderland #2. Summer. And our wedding. So that's all I wanted to share for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Craythorne.